Here's a question for you, young scientists. If we breathe air, how does a tree breathe? It doesn't have a mouth, a nose, or lungs. Or maybe it has a secret way? Come with me and discover the secret of how trees breathe. So, what's the answer? Yes, trees do breathe. Humans have lungs, but trees have leaves. And those leaves are amazing little tools. On their leaves, trees have teeny tiny openings. They are so small that you can't see them with your eyes. These tiny openings are called stomata. Let's say it together. Sto-ma-ta. Now let's see what happens when these tiny openings start working and what their important job is inside the leaf. The tree takes in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. And this part is very important. Too much carbon dioxide is not good for people, but oxygen is something we must have to live. So when trees release oxygen, they help humans and animals breathe. That's why we say trees are the lungs of the earth. Now comes the science magic. During the day, it is cooking time for trees. They mix sunshine, water, and carbon dioxide to make their very own food, almost like a little kitchen inside their leaves. This clever and amazing process is called photosynthesis. Want to know more? I already explained what photosynthesis is and why it is so important in another video, so be sure to check that one out too. While they are doing this, trees release oxygen into the air, which helps people and animals breathe. Thank you, trees! At night, there is no sunlight, so trees slow down and rest. Even then, they do not stop breathing. They continue to breathe quietly, just like we do when we are asleep. You might think that trees breathe only with their leaves, but there is more to the story. Trees can actually breathe in more than one way. Tiny openings can also be found on the tree's trunk, and they help air move in and out. Deep underground, the roots take in oxygen from the soil, which helps the tree stay alive and healthy. That is why healthy, loose soil is so important. Trees need air just like we do, even though they get it in a very different way. Now you know one of nature's amazing secrets. Trees breathe, they give us oxygen, and they help make life on Earth possible. Every breath you take is connected to trees in some way. So the next time you see a tree, remember that it is breathing right now, very quietly and very patiently. I'm Professor Zapnik, and always remember, nature is the greatest teacher of all. Before you go, I have one more question for you. Have you ever wondered how a tree drinks water without a mouth? Join me next time, and we will discover how trees drink water and how it travels from the roots all the way up to the leaves, even to the very top of the tree.